Hi, the next sound we're going to do is like umbrella, okay? And I have my assistant Dominic here to help us. So can you say Perfect, okay? So that's the sound I'm going to show you, and I'm going to put it right under the okay? And we're going to play our game again. We're starting over since you beat me so badly last time. All right?
Mm-hmm.
So same thing, you're going to tap it and then they're going to say it. So I'm going to tap it, and after I tap it, I want you to say it, and of course I will try to trick you. You ready? Perfect. Oh my goodness, I can't trick you for anything. How about this one? Oh, gosh. Oh my goodness. Well, that was exceptional, okay? Really good. Now you're the teacher, and
Okay.
I'm going to say it, and you're going to tap it.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Whew. Here's a hard one. Ah. Oh, my goodness, I'm losing. How about this one? Good. Do that one again. I didn't hear it. Perfect. Excellent. Well, I think you beat me. What do you think? Yeah. So you do it until they completely get it. Once again, now you're going to do the combination of the two. Now, sometimes they might forget the so you can review it, okay? But then you put these two together, you put this array going down, okay? And then let's read a couple of these to show the folks, okay? Perfect. Nice. Oh, so good. So that's how you do this lesson, and then you hide these, okay? And I would also hide the with them so they can differentiate between the two sounds, okay? Good luck.